Hi everyone, Kate here, and today I will be reading an excerpt from a Victorian lady's beauty advice book while giving myself a much needed haircut. There seems to be a myth out there that in order to achieve their strikingly long tresses, Victorian ladies never cut their hair. While I'm sure some women did stay away from scissors, often Victorian advice books that I've read anyway advise regularly trimming the hair ends. Although sometimes these books actually recommend using a candle flame to burn the hair ends off instead of scissors. There seemed to be a belief among some people around the turn of the century that there was a fluid inside the hair shaft. There isn't. And that singeing the hair better sealed the hair, thus preventing this fluid from leaking out. This method of singeing is actually still occasionally used today, and some people do believe it adds body and helps keep their hair looking good. I've never personally tried it, and I have no idea if it actually works. It seems like a dangerous thing to try to me, but you know. Anyway, back to the article. Here is what the Ugly Girl papers from 1874 had to say about cutting your hair. Once a month, the ends of the hair should be cut to remove the forked ends, which stop its growth. The patrons of a certain New York school of high repute will remember the young daughter of an Albany gentleman whose wonderful hair was the pride of the establishment. The child was about 10 years old, and her heavy tresses reached literally to the floor. She was not unfrequently shown to visitors as a phenomenon, veiled in this flood of hair. On inquiry, it was found that no particular treatment was given it, beyond cutting the ends regularly every month for years. This idea of trimming the hair once a month, as stated in the previous article, seems to have been a relatively common one. My Lady's Dressing Room from 1892 also advised cutting the hair about once a month, but they had their own unique spin on things. Here is what they had to say about it. It is advisable to clip the hair in the first quarter of each new moon, and, at the end of a year, the hair will have lost nothing in length. I cannot believe that the silent orb of night has any influence on the growth of hair, but there may be occult, mysterious influences which science has not yet explained. It is certain fact that hair clipped at each new moon grows thicker. And there you have it. Victorians did cut their hair about once a month, with the goal of preserving their long locks by removing the damaged ends. Which is what I try to do, although perhaps less often than I should. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you want to, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!